No.
What is up guys, this is Ellis here from Tech2s, and in this video we're going to be reviewing the AFX FireFighter K01 gaming keyboard. Okay, as you saw, it comes with like open here, and there's a little display area of where you can actually see the keyboard before you buy it. Taken out of the packaging, you can tell that the keyboard is nicely compact in, so it cannot be damaged during transit. At the front of the box it tells you its 4 main features. It has 3 backlight colours, 12 hotkeys, ergonomic keys, and extra 4 joystick movement keys. Opening the tab at the top of the packaging reveals the braided USB cable, then taking the keyboard out shows you all the provided manuals and information. Looking underneath the keyboard shows 2 little feet that you can pull out to tilt the keyboard for a more comfortable use. Also there is 2 little grip pads underneath to stop the keyboard from moving when in use. Here is a quick audio test of the keys. Here is the RGB lighting control button. Pressing the button makes it go orange, white, blue, and then finally off. Overall, the keyboard is great for its price, retailing at $79.99. However, I managed to get this keyboard for $19.99, which in my opinion you can't go wrong with. The pros of this keyboard are, it feels great whilst typing, as well as its grip pads to stop it moving, and the braided cable gives it an extra feel of quality, although depending on your colour theme, it may not match due to its 3 limited colours. Thanks for watching. I'll leave a link in the description to check this keyboard out, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe and comment.